Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my allies are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah gives you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet cat bed, beautiful cat cave ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade, knitting variety, different ideas, beautiful patterns. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Most demanding crochet collection. Very nice, beautiful ideas for cat lovers. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful and different shapes. Cat cave ideas, cat house. So please like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet cat bed. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, beautiful amigurumi toys, cat bed, dog sweater, and different ideas about crochet. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.